Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error 279. So first thing first, make sure that you are not connected to any type of VPN. If you are, go ahead and turn it off for this one moment. And once the Roblox opens up, you may go ahead and turn it on again. For the next step, if you have been launching your Roblox, close this. Also close this from this drop-down menu. If you see Roblox, right-click onto it and then select Quit. Now for the next step, come below at the search bar, then type in Network. Select Open, you will see Network Reset. In here, select Reset Now and then Yes. And once it is, so go ahead, restart your device. Also make sure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection. If you think your Wi-Fi is slower, you may also go ahead and connect it to Ethernet or another strong Wi-Fi. Now lastly, come below at the search bar and type in View Network Connection. You will see it under Control Panel, open it. Select your Wi-Fi, select Properties. In here, select IPv4 Properties. In here, also make sure that you have these exact same number for preferred DNS server and alternative DNS server. 8888 for preferred and 8844 for alternative. Once done, select OK. Go ahead, restart your device and this shall fix the problem.